Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Matthew. For the next few videos, we're going to take a look at gold, silver, and Bitcoin. We're going to start today with silver. This is on the back of the Q2 2024 global report on base money, which I released a couple weeks ago and have had a few different videos and reports on this, follow-up reports and bar chart races. You can see those on the channel. Since then, this is just following up on the historical money. As we know, Bitcoin is outside money. It's not comparable to anything inside the financial system, inside the banking system. It's outside money, just like gold and silver was of the past, and like central bank money is today. Central bank money is outside the financial system. So those are the money supplies that are comparable with Bitcoin. Starting off here just with silver. This is a chart just from 2008, because that's around when Bitcoin started, of the available supply of silver measured in US dollars. Okay, so all the silver ounces that have ever been mined, less industrial, because industrial, there's a lot of silver, if you know or don't know, that's in computers, iPads, conduits, it's in property, buildings, electronics all around the world today. If we took industrial included in this number, you'd probably double this figure. You would roughly double, in fact, this figure. Nonetheless, no one knows for sure, of course, because it's not a blockchain, but based on available reports and my own research, this is what I have determined is the available supply or the available market for silver in totality in the world. And we see here when silver had a huge run in spring of 2011, got over $50 an ounce, $55 an ounce, went up to over $1.2 trillion in market size, available ounces worldwide. Then went down to a 10-year bear, coming back up again here, post-COVID, post-inflation of COVID, and a bit of a bump this year as well as gold. Silver, as of July, August, roughly $900 billion market size. Okay, this is available ounces, not included industrial. All right, let's draw a trend line over this. This is a 50-year trend. I'm only showing you the trend of, or the action of the market size from 2008. The dotted line assumes all of this market trend back to 1970, when silver and gold became completely detached from the dollar. Gold, of course, officially, silver, the Treasury was selling silver and not using silver in coins from the 60s. Nonetheless, this is a 50-plus year trend line, this dotted line, okay? And we can see here, this is an exponential trend. It's a decently fitting trend line, 60%. It's not fantastic. And you can see that we way overshot it in 2011, just insane amount, and came back down and actually hugged it for the past 10 years after this 2011 spike. And we're back up again. So that's interesting. If you look at the 50-year trend line of silver, we're above it, but not too far off it, okay? Now, just for this video, we'll continue on this in future videos. I just want to layer in the market cap of Bitcoin, okay? This, of course, is the available supply of Bitcoins. And if we want to be technical, you can knock off perhaps even 20% of this, perhaps more. No one knows for sure how many Bitcoins are lost or permanently frozen or burned due to either mismanagement or on purpose. Taking a moment to remind you that this show is brought to you by Trezor, home of the original Bitcoin hardware wallet. For over 10 years now, Trezor means business in Bitcoin security and functionality. When using their wallet software Trezor Suite to connect to the Bitcoin network, you're automatically connected via Tor, protecting your identity and giving you full control of your coins in a fully open source manner, both on the software level and on the hardware level. So head on over to Trezor.io to grab your brand new Trezor Safe 5 with a secure element, as well as a ton of available accessories to back up your keys and keep your coins safe. Nonetheless, just to keep this simple, this is the market cap, the market size of Bitcoin, okay? And if you notice, Bitcoin passed silver. It's done it actually twice. First time happened during the meme stock trading days of 2021, the main COVID crazy stay-at-home meme stock trade on your phone days of 2021. At that point, it was about $800 billion, both of them, in market size, silver and Bitcoin. Let's even take off the trend line just so you can see this crystal clear what I'm talking about. Tesla, at this point, actually in February 2021, announced that they were going to buy Bitcoin and put it on their balance sheet. They had a stake in this FOMO, this first pump in 2021. And you see, the market cap of Bitcoin in October 2020, during the deep freeze and scare of COVID, was only 200 billion. All right, and already by March 2021, we're at $1 trillion, really $1.1 trillion in market cap. We had a double top that year in Bitcoin. We got to over $1.1 trillion in October, November, and then fell back down, of course, as you do. Scams need to be flushed out. FTX, Celsius, plenty others. We go down to the nadir, back down to 300 billion in Bitcoin, and then, of course, back up for the next cycle after the previous halving. March 2024, we're already at $1.4 trillion, all-time high for Bitcoin. Down from that, August, these are month-end closes, $1.1 trillion. So you see, Bitcoin has passed silver already. This is available ounces all-time that have been mined and available on the market, not including industrial silver. That would add up another 50% more, or say 100% more. It would double this stack of silver, but that's not readily available for purchase and use either as bullion or as jewelry or as silverware. It's a huge part of the silver market, by the way. So this is the best we can do, is available silver versus the Bitcoin market cap. And this is what you'll see in the report that I do for the global base money supply. Bitcoin is now, for the second time, above the market of silver. And just, I'm going to end the video here. We're going to continue on. Let's just look at where the exponential growth of silver will be after another 6 years to the end of the decade, December 2030. Only, quote, only 800 billion. Okay, so this is the way silver has grown, exponentially, steadily. It doesn't grow like Bitcoin grows. We'll talk more about that in the next video. Thanks for watching.